Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and this is Erica's Home Refresh. Here you'll get tons of motivation for cleaning, home projects, and everything in between that makes your life at home cozy and manageable. Today's video is an after dark clean with me and also a collaboration with Faith from Faith's Life. She's been so sweet to me since I started YouTube, and you'll find tons of motivation on her channel. I'll let her introduce herself now.
Hey everybody, it's Faith from Faith's Life. I want to thank Erica for collaborating with me on this video. I hope that you will come and check me out after watching her video. I do lots of cleaning motivation content. I track Bites Conquer Cravings for my weight loss, and I do family vlog. So come over and check me out after you're done watching Erica.
So after you watch today's video, make sure to head over to her channel. Now, let's refresh this house. We're going to very briefly tidy up the living room, and then I'll walk you through the kitchen and the dining room so we can go upstairs. We're able to get the first floor back in shape after dinner, so now while Dave is giving the girls their bath, I'll pick up their rooms and then they'll go to bed, and I'll work on some other rooms in our house too. This is our older daughter Elsie's room. Even though the girls have separate bedrooms, we keep the toys for this floor of the house in her room to keep things easier. They just got these large blocks for Christmas and they love making forts with them. I'm going through the books on this bookcase because there are some seasonal books that I want to take off and put away for next year, and I'm also making space for the new books they got for Christmas. If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video. Mention that the diaper laying on this table is there because the girls sometimes put diapers on their stuffed animals, and they were doing that today. Do any of your kids do that?
Touch my head, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my head, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I
To clean mirrors, I use only water on either a paper towel or microfiber cloth. It leaves them streak-free every time.
change your mind. For love or pity, let me know, not now. 'Cause your love made me go blind.
Like I said, we keep the toys for this floor in Elsie's room, so other than this slide, all of the toys that are here in Lana's room are going back to Elsie's room. The slide gets moved around the house to keep things interesting. It's so fun to watch them get really wound up and take their turns going down the slide or climbing up the slide and walking down the stairs.
How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that?
I'm using water on the mirrored furniture and Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray in lavender on everything else. It's my favorite scent.
'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, you said that you needed me.
I am overjoyed that Dave surprised me with this cordless vacuum for Christmas. He knew I wanted one and I was forever getting all tied up in the power cord of the last one.
Even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it.
I recently did a budget makeover video on this bathroom. I'll leave the link below if you want to check out the before and after and how we did it. It was so dark and the new colors and larger mirror brightened it up so much.
Like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars.
I never wiped down our bedroom after putting away all the Christmas decorations, so while the bathroom floor is drying, I'm going to clean up all of the glitter, dust, and flocking that had fallen. I'm using a lint roller on the pillows that have little fuzzies on them from one thing or another.
Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
I'd gotten these teal pillow covers for Christmas, but I thought they looked wintry, so I'm going to leave them out for a while. I still do want to change the curtains in this room, but haven't taken a moment to order them. I might actually just switch them out for another pair we already have.
I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you, you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
I'd already washed the linens and the bath mats for the master bedroom, so all I had to do was place them out.
You can take me high.
Thank you so much for spending time with me tonight. I hope you got some things done on your to-do list as well. I'll see you next time. Bye.